Alright. This is my package for Wet n Wild. Alright, so I should have... See if I got my lipstick here. Yes, okay, good. I was scared. So I got my Flights of Fancy and the nail polish. Oops, sorry. Nail polish has a nice little collector box too. And the red that did not come in the collection. Alrighty. Even though the set has reached some Walgreens, my Walgreens have not gotten them yet. So I'm going to have to pay another $5 because after they said maybe that they could work something out, they were like refusing to give us free shipping. So, alright. I will open up the box later. Alright, bye. Okay. I love how well they package it. Okay. Alrighty. So you got your baked blushes, they said? Yeah, baked blushes here. To be honest, they look, these two look like highlighters, maybe a bronzer and a blush. And then you got the 4 lip glosses. I would have preferred this red one to that orange. You got the 3 new eyeshadows, the watermelon scrub, I don't care for orange, and 2 of their liners, and the face spray. Let's see some. Let me just, yeah, it's full. All right. Face spray. So, okay. Probably do a video, swatches, and everything at a later date. Bye. And these are the polishes. This has like a orangey, maybe coral. And then this, I cut all my nails down again. So this is like, I guess a hot pink, that gorgeous purple, that pretty aqua or teal, a nice blue, and a nice green. So those are the nail polishes.